In section 4.5, we're dealing with open and closed credit. This first question deals with a credit card and trying to find the new balance. So what we need to perform this is our calculators, and it says her previous month's balance is $374.79. Add the interest using the previous month's balance method. So we're going to take that previous month's balance, $374.79, and multiply it by the 24%, 0.24, and by the fraction 1 month, 12th of a year. And we get $7.50. Then add to that the $374.79. And then she had these activities. Subtract the $262.76 that she paid, add the $52.98 that she charged, subtract $102.81 that she got in credit, add the $264.69 that she charged, and finally add the $325.43 that she charged, and we have $659.82. Compute the new balance if the balance at the end of March was $496.42. $134.25 payment was made. $168.43 purchases were made during April. The finance charge is average daily balance of $332.43. Once again, you just need your calculator. Let's calculate the finance charge, $332.43 times the 24% times 1/12 of a year is $6.65. To that, add the previous month's balance, $496.42, and the $168.43, and make sure you subtract the $234.25. That was the payment, and her total is $437.25. For the next one, you're going to need to have your Excel spreadsheet that you can download from the site, and we're going to use the Joel Colson spreadsheet. Remember, you only have to change the yellow boxes. Previous month's balance was $311.13. There was a charge of the payment was negative $117.14. It's subtracted. Then there was the groceries of $64.56 on the 31st, and then the charge of $174.86 at the department store. So we don't care what the balance was. All we care is that the finance charge is $5.35. For more on the calculations of the average daily balance, make sure you see your textbook. Finally, we're dealing with the March charges, and it says that the balance on, that didn't go right. Balance on March 11th was $601.19. There was a purchase on the 15th of $76.47. There was a payment, so minus $382.05. There was a, let's see, on the 30th, there was a charge of $199.08. So we just want to know the finance charge, which is $7.48. The other thing that you have to do for this unit is the consolidating loan. You purchased a washing machine and dryer for $976.85. You paid 20% down. So the first thing you need to determine is how much you paid. Let's make a, let's make a diagram here then of what exactly is going on. Multiply and divide here. We will take the 976.85 times 80 and then divide by 100 and get $781.48. That finance charge is going to be, or I'm sorry, that amount financed, the principal is going to be multiplied by the interest rate, 12%, and the number of months, which is I'm going to have to delete that. Okay, 0.12 times the fraction 16/12, because it's 16 months out of 12ths of a year, which would be $125.04 is the amount financed. If you have any questions, you can give me a call.